Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to do I'm sorry for everything that I've done. The ways I called you to tell you. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well.